Ready to ditch the bus pass and grab the keys to freedom? Let's navigate the online world to book your G1 test in Ontario, making sure it's smooth sailing from start to finish. First, fire up your favorite web browser and head over to the official ServiceOntario website. The only legit place to book your test. Make sure the URL clearly shows ServiceOntario to avoid any scams. Once you are on the page, scroll down or use the site search bar to find the driving and transportation section. Then click on it. Within driving and transportation, look for an option that says something like book a driving test or driver examination services. Click on it. This is your portal to scheduling. Now, you'll likely need to log in using your Ontario.ca digital ID. If you don't have one, no worries. Click on the sign up link and follow the steps to create an account. You'll need a valid email address and to create a secure password. Time to fill in the blanks. You will need information like your driver's license number, date of birth, and sometimes vision information. Double check everything you enter to avoid any delays later. Here's the fun part. Choose your test location, date, and time. The system will display available slots at different drive test centers. Pick a time that suits you and a location that is easily accessible. Remember, weekends and evenings might fill up faster. Almost there. You will need to pay the G1 test fee online using a valid credit card or debit card. The website uses secure payment processing, so your information is safe. Congratulations, you did it! After successful payment, you will receive a confirmation screen with all your test details, location, date, time, and a confirmation number. Make sure to save or print this confirmation. You will need it on test day. Now get ready to study hard, relax, and good luck.